Guys, the LED light is back. I am back. It's a new week. The market is open. Let me quickly give you the update. It's currently Sunday and it's 11:13. I'm on my way to the gym. I took a quick look at the markets and I noticed that, yeah, the gold is going down. I'm just waiting for price action to settle. I'll probably wait for the 4 hour to close. Let's see. No rush. I just want to say hello. Welcome to the new episode. Let's get it. I disappeared yesterday and then yeah, we're here though. We're here today. It's currently 4:24 and yes, I can't lie, it's been a bit of a bad start to the trading week. This is where we're at so far. Right, this week. I haven't taken lots of trades. Like I think in total I've probably taken like 12 trades compared to taking like 40 trades. I'm currently in the trade right now and this is what the situation of the account is. I mean, all it is, I was working yesterday. It's peak. Like I've been just trying to sleep. It's mad, guys. So why did I disappear? Literally, I can't lie, it's peak because I've just been like playing FIFA, reading, and yeah, it's dark. I can't lie, it's dark. But anyways, I'm back. Yeah, trying to see how these sales is gonna work. I'm waiting for price to pull back to a certain area, if I can show you. So the 1 hour broke out and closed bearish. So for me, if as long as we can get to like 184, then so where that pink line is, if we can get to here, then I'll say okay, let's activate the big boy sales. But yeah, I don't know, earlier I was trying to take some trades and I think where I went wrong was that I was imagining that the price action was the same price action as last week, where you'd want to be buying from the bottom of the range and then obviously selling at the top. But that wasn't the case. And again, the mistake was that I shouldn't have, you know, like what Mark Douglas says about the market conditions, you shouldn't assume that the market's repeating itself, you know. So that was a mistake. And where it went worse was that I oversized too fast, hence we're here. But even the Asian session, I was trying to trade the Asian session and again the same thing, like I just trying to assume that price is repeating the same process, and yeah, I got taken out of the trades. But with those trades in the Asian session, I didn't really oversize. It was like little I say little sales. It was 0.01 sales. Okay, 0.05, 0.01. But yeah, anyways, so gonna wait for price to reach to my area. If it reaches, if it reaches, it reaches. If it doesn't reach, it doesn't reach, guys. But can't make these mistakes. Like literally, it's bare silly. Cause even it's funny. Cause I literally woke up around like an hour ago, and then yeah, now I don't know. I think I rushed into the position. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so the 30 minutes close bullish right now. I'll have an update soon. I'm waiting for my auntie right now. We're gonna go to Curry's. I could be getting a new laptop. I could be getting. Right now the illusion is that I could be getting a new laptop. So let's see what happens. I'll have an update soon. Maybe see you at Curry's. I got stopped out of the first trade. So right now it's currently 4:54. Look, it came to the area of interest. So we got in the sales. Yeah, now just need to wait. And I don't think we're gonna get the laptop today. I don't know if they have it in stock, but let's see. Alright guys, so unfortunately I was not able to get the laptop. Alright, so currently it's 7:07 and it's Wednesday. Just to currently show you what's going on. So this is what the situation is right now. I went a bit crazy yesterday. Like I completely went against my rule of only sticking to a maximum of 0.1 when trading under £1,000. I paid the price dearly. As you can see, as you saw, the accounts had like 200 basically £200 now. That's something that I definitely had to firm. I didn't get the laptop because it was out of stock. I'm probably gonna go with Aunt Susan to Enfield, but I don't know when. So we'll wait and see. But yeah, I did, however, manage to get a tracksuit. So the only thing is I don't know when I'm gonna wear that tracksuit, but I'm currently waiting for confirmations regarding the price section on gold, and then I'll be able to figure out what to do with this position. I am currently looking for buys, but nothing of my edge has played out yet. So as there's nothing going on for the buys, I'm just gonna hold on to the sells, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But ideally, I'm waiting for confirmations, kind of like tennis, you know. Well, you know already. I'll be waiting for buys, and then once we get in the buys, that's when I'll start looking for sells. But not immediately, just when price has moved significantly. For example, the position now we're in, we're up like 100 pips and floating. So yeah, just waiting. But I can't lie, yesterday I was a bit frustrated about missing the sells. And I think that's what tips me overboard and said, oh my God, like, let me, you know, start over risking, which was very bad, obviously. Yeah, I've accepted that this has happened, and yeah, now just gotta continue on with the trading day and see where we go, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get back to sleep, and then I'll have an update for you guys soon, hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you. Guys, I'm up. I'm awake. It is currently 10:54. I've officially closed the position, as you can see. So this is today so far, right? Yeah, now we wait. Now we wait for the next opportunity. The 4 hours gonna close in 5-6 minutes. And yeah, we wait. But now I've got an appointment at 12 o'clock with Matty. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you soon. I'm currently on my way to the barber's now. It is mad. It's not even that cold, as you can see. I'm in a hoodie. Had to wash my hair and get it ready, I guess you could say. I was looking at gold and no opportunities. I mean, the only thing I saw is that price was struggling and we started to consolidate. So I don't know if it was a good call or not to close the position, but I said I'm gonna close it anyways. And then we'll wait patiently. Now I'm making sure that all of the entries I take, they're on point, right? Not like last week, not like the week before. Let me quickly give you an update. So as of now, it's currently 11:52.
Do you remember the wonder and joy of Christmas? Singing about a baby born with no place to stay. But this is the reality for millions of families.
I need
proper,
to yeah.
up like yourself. I mean, yeah, that's not a good feeling to be. Like, I mean, but yeah, it's not really a good feeling when you feel not in control of yourself.
Nah, dude, self-control is important. I've seen, it's my second time to see online that discipline. That I've heard that discipline is freedom. Yeah. What level is this right now?
0.5, man.
0.5. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Funny guy, I swear to you. You're in the wrong profession, man, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Just stand up.
So guys, I've finished the trim. I'm currently on my way home. I'm rushing because I went to Sports Direct to quickly get some base layers. I don't know what size I am when it comes to clothes, so I literally tried extra small all the way up until extra large, like each time, and I had to go back and forth. Yeah, the mistake I made is that I probably should have took all the sizes in one go and then tried it on to figure out what size I'll be. Yeah, anyways, basically now I'm late because right now it's 2:17 and that was the notification that gold has just touched 230. So yeah, it's peak, but managed to get some things done. So yeah, now it's just about getting home fast and getting ready. Okay guys, oh wait, that's on what? As you can see, the trim is done, looking clean. It's currently 6:40. I got to work late. Like I got to work 10 minutes late. It's peak. But anyways, now I'm on break, as you can probably tell. I tried to get into a position, but the position failed. It was probably obvious that it was gonna fail. The market is clearly consolidating. So right now, this is what the situation looks like for today. This is what the current balance is. So let's see. I'm gonna have to wait. Now I'm gonna eat my food and that's it. I'll see you guys soon. I was looking at the markets just now. I don't think we're gonna be able to trade gold, but we'll see. We'll see. It's 48 past 12. As you can see, the account is the same as before. The last few trades taken. I'm sorry for the poor quality, but finished work late right now on my way to the bus stop. I was looking at the 4 hour. I can't lie, it's peak. Even the daily is bad. It's not giving off good vibes right now. All I can say is, yeah, just have to tread carefully. Wait for a breakout, pretty much. Especially this kind of consolidation. It's like, yeah, it's not good. It's not good because there'll be fake outs. Yeah, anyways, let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to close. So we have like 2 hours and 10 minutes. And then yeah, we'll go from there. What's going on? I am back. I'm currently on my way to work. I probably did leave the house a bit late, but it's fine. I'm trying to speed walk. As you can see, my hand is occupied, yeah. So if I'm not mistaken, it should be like 5 past 3. As you know from yesterday's update, I wasn't really looking for any trades on gold because I saw that the consolidation was deep. So I said I was gonna wait. I'm still waiting. So yeah, as of now, the account is still the same. There could be a potential opportunity for sales, but yeah, just have to wait. I'm currently out of work. Yeah, it's peak. I can't lie. It's another. If you see me on this street, yeah, it's peak. It's currently 9 to 1. I've just been working the whole shift. I even took my break late. But anyways, the shift is over. Everything was fine. Like it wasn't that crazy. Yeah, I was at the beginning, prior to the shift, during the shift, before I took my break, I was very hungry. And then I think I got to eat at like around 9 o'clock. Regarding the markets, the account is still the same. Nothing's changed. I'll give a proper update when I get home. I'm making my way to the bus stop to take the bus to the gym. I've just gotten up. It's currently 12:15 Friday. Yeah, I need to show you the account. So right now, as you can see, the account is still the same, 241. And as of this week, as you can see, the last trade that was taken was on the 3rd of December. I haven't been able to take any trades, and it's only due to the fact that I couldn't find any opportunities that meet my criteria. So yeah, I've just been on the sidelines, and it's fine. Like, this is how it's supposed to be. I've proven, if you've watched the past 3 or 4 episodes, you'll see that it's not supposed to be like, oh, you're supposed to take as many trades as you can, and you accept whether you get them right or wrong. But it's about being able to it's about being more selective with the trades that you take, whether they're high probability or low probability. Being able to accept, like, okay, this trade could win or lose. Right now, I'm just waiting, and it could mean that maybe today we don't take any trades, you know. Yeah, I'm just gonna be reading the book that I'm currently reading is this. I think I'm on like chapter 3 right now. My head hurts a bit. I feel like since I cut my hair on Wednesday, I feel like I've got brain freeze whenever I'm outside. So now I have to make sure that I put on a hat whenever I step outside. But yeah, it's all good. It's currently 8:57. It's Friday. So right now the balance is here. These are the trades that have been taken today. And I say today, but literally like towards the market close, like after the last 4 hour candle opened, which was at 7 o'clock. But yeah, now it's done. I'm done. I'll probably give like a proper debrief when I finish my shift. But for now, I thought I'd give you this update and just let you know this is how we stand. Work is alright, we're chilling. So yeah, see you guys. Yo!
Are you vlogging?
We're out here in the city of London. In the city of London.
Alright, YouTube, how are we doing?
Yo.
Tonight, this is the greatest guy I've ever met.
And the best trader I've ever seen.
Honestly.
Sponsored by Alpha Futures
By
and Alpha
course.
Capital. That's what they're
By
saying.
the mentorship.
Yo.
Moonlighting as a waiter, bro.
So
But by
this guy
day,
right
this
here,
is the trader
let me
right here.
introduce this guy. This guy is absolutely amazing on his journey. We've
That's
all
it.
been on our journey. This guy's the next guy to see it come up in the
Billy's still
space.
on his journey.
You're gonna see. Right, put this guy real quick. But listen,
No,
this guy
no.
right here, he's on a journey. He's gonna fucking succeed. We're all gonna succeed.
That's
I'm not,
it,
man.
that's it, facts.
Claudia's still in the dust, but she's fine. She's trying hard.
He's trying hard, hey.
Trying hard.
Bro, let's represent.
This is Sean, guys. So
Yeah,
you
what's
wanna introduce yourself quickly?
I'm Sean, I work for Alpha Capital, bro. Alpha Capital, Alpha Futures, content, affiliate shit. Yeah.
So I was just explaining to Sean that I noticed his top that said Alpha Capital,
Yeah.
and I was in two minds about it. Either I could bring up like, oh, I noticed that you were in Alpha Capital, and I trade too, you know, or it was more of a thing where I just say nothing, you know. I just treat you like a regular guest. Just here are your drinks, you know, blah blah blah. What I was explaining is that it's an overlooked thing when it comes to making decisions, you know, and it shouldn't be something overlooked because I could have been. I'm gonna say weak, yeah, because I think it's weak. It's weak to not try to make a decision based on like what you want or what you desire, you know. I chose to go on the other end and build that connection, saying, you know, like I trade too. I know you guys' brand, and it made sense. So I think, long story short, for you guys watching, when it comes to making decisions, even if it seems like the hard option, yeah, you just gotta make that decision. What do you think?
Oh, 100%, bro. The thing is, I know all the cliches like you miss 100% of the stocks you don't take and stuff like that, but like, I heard someone say once what they call the red car theory. You probably heard about that, right? That if someone says like, you know, how many red cars have you seen today? You're just like, I don't really know, right? But if someone says, okay, keep an eye out for red cars. You look around and say, oh, there's one. You'd be like, bro, I've seen like 500 red cars. I didn't realise. That's what opportunities are like, bro. Like opportunities are everywhere.
Yes.
But people ignore it, man. They miss it. And the thing is, right? On my life, you're like me, bro. Like we grind, we work hard, right? Fact. But
Shit, that was different. Affiliate payouts.
you've got to bang on every door till one opens. That's a fact. And the second one is that what's got me to where I am today is being around the right people and taking opportunities. And where I am now, like, so the job that I have with Alpha Bro, I went to an event, I met the guys, and I'm where I am now, right? And it's just that take opportunity. But I could have been like, oh no, they're like the CEO of the company, but I don't want them to meet. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
No. That's not the way.
That's not the way.
No. Just take opportunities, man. See a girl you like, go say hi. You see someone you want to talk to, go say hi. And just be friendly and be genuine, and people can tell if you're sincere, bro. Simple as that. But yeah, opportunity is everywhere, man. And like, just if you get those moments in your life, man, they're pivotal. Because like, it can change your life, man. Be in the right place at the right time. Everyone says, oh man, I want to be in the right place at the right time. Sometimes they are, bro. They don't take the opportunity. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. To go off of what you just said now.
Yeah.
So one thing that even I've realized is that the answer is always in front of you.
I unfollowed you right now.
You just have to accept that the answer is there and take like you said, take the opportunity. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome, bro. No,
Yeah. What's your name?
Sid Trades.
Claudia trades, not Sid trades.
Sid Trades.
How long have you been trading for?
I took my first profit email in March, and then I passed my first funded in July, but I'm still trying to get my first payout. So I've had a bit of a struggle once I got funded, but I'm still really working towards it. I think because I post on social media, everyone thinks I'm like trying to glaze and I'm trying to post on socials and like get affiliates. But I really like love trading and I'm really trying to be profitable. But it's hard when you post on socials and everyone's like, oh, you took this loss, like you're shit. Like it affects your psychology a lot.
What would you say is helped you a lot, like get through the trade, or get through trading, like get you to where you are now?
I think the one thing that I was doing, I was posting my trades every single day on social media, and that like fucked my psychology
Really?
so bad. That was really bad because I read all the comments and they're like, oh, you lost this, you need to do this, and everyone has different opinions. It's all opposing, and like posting on social media when you're unprofitable is going to long out the process. Like I'm convinced if I wasn't posting now, I would be profitable by now and I would have payouts.
No, okay.
But it's just one of those sacrifices that you make when I am officially profitable. Everyone will have seen the journey, like, because I started posting when I first started out, and they've seen me get funded. So It's just one of those things. But I'd say stay off social media if you're learning to
Really?
trade. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's your message to the guys watching,
Yeah,
yeah?
100%. From personal experience, I'm still profitable. I post on social media.
Yeah.
Like, it's brought me great opportunities. I've met great people, which is obviously awesome, but you can do that when you're profitable.
Okay.
It's long down the process a lot.
Yes,
No, okay, well, thank you for sharing.
It's spaghetti trading out here in the city of London. All right, long live the Queen.
The king.
Well, I don't know. I've heard he's an asshole. So long live England. All right. Even though it's never coming home. Forza Italia. Fuck you, Harry Kane. Listen.
Quick.
Spaghetti trading in the house.
Yeah, so cool, quick. So what's the story behind the spaghetti?
Oh, basically, like, I grew up in Italy, so my partner thought it was partner as in business partner, right? I'm not gay. But he thought it would be funny to call it spaghetti trading because it's something you'll never forget. You read spaghetti trading out there and you're like, oh, spaghetti.
So you just ran with the name from that, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
But we make a lot of like Italian jokes in the chat.
What we doing here in Amano? What are we doing here in the bar?
We're out in Amano to visit the boy, one of our best traders in the community.
Let's go.
Who's done crazy progress since he's joined. We've come to celebrate our progress here with the boy at his favorite spot. And
I mean, it's my workplace. Right?
No, it's his favorite spot.
Yeah, my favorite spot too.
His favorite spot too.
Yeah.
We're celebrating in the city of London town, where you have 9 out of 10 odds of getting stabbed on the street.
No. It's
8 out of 10.
overhyped. It's
8 out of 10.
6 out of 10. 6 out of 10.
All right, I'll take 6 out of 10. I don't know. I was walking around the other day, and I was like, I was doing the phone challenge. I was walking around. I was like, take it, you fucking roadmen, take it.
No.
And no one took it. Thank God. I was really pissed drunk.
That was
though. I was really
that's
pissed drunk.
brave of
Yeah.
you, man. Shit, bro.
I'm never gonna do that again. I promise, roadmen. If you're seeing this, please don't attack me. Love you guys. Love the mandem.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Peace out.
Found it. He rang me that night, offered me a retainer of $500. Fuck all. But I was working at Domino's. And that £500 retainer was a life changer for me because I was making £300 a month riding a push bike delivering pizzas. You know what I mean? I was riding a push bike delivering pizzas every night. And then I got a job at Alpha, and then he upped it to $1,000. I was on live chat. 3 years later, I'm the influencer manager, hanging out with people I aspire to be.
Yeah.
How crazy that and
That's
crazy
wild.
life works.
Crazy comment.
Hanging out with people I used to watch on YouTube trying to learn off. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, you know, Raul, for example, he's paid to see me next week. He's paid my flight. I said to him, he said, come out for New Year's. I said, I'll see where the bank's at. You know what I mean? I spent, because when I was last in Miami,
you was banking.
when I last in Miami, I spent about fucking 10 grand. I was like, this has been a lot. I'll probably not be here for a while. And he said, come out for New Year's. I said, mate, I'm going to see where the bank. He said, I'll fly you out.
Wow.
And
that's like a guy you grew up watching on YouTube.
Watching
right?
on exactly.
I know, yeah.
And that's what's crazy because my life has changed from one video. One. And that everyone takes a piss out of TikTok and doing all that, but you don't understand how one video can change your life.
Yeah.
I made that video just being creative, just thinking I like this.
Yeah.
And it changed my life. Changed my fucking life, and I'm so blessed. And I can fucking cry right now because I remember how shit it was.
So first of all, I just want to say that listening to what you've just said, the story, is something very admirable, you know, because you kept on going, you kept on pushing,
Going, mate,
you
for
know.
the hardest times of my life.
So, what's one thing that you'd give like advice to,
right.
not even just to traders, just to people, you
Just
know?
the people in general, the hardest
Like
times of your life, you need to cherish them because you never know where that might take you. The hardest point in my life, I made a video about it, changed my life forever. The point I was at my lowest, I was suicidal, everything. I was so surfing, my parents didn't want us, everyone didn't believe in us. I made a video about that, capitalised on that moment, it changed my life forever. So the hardest points of your life, never give up because of that moment in time, it can change your life forever. And that's exactly what it is for us today. Now with this boy, we're in fucking London, we're in Miami, we're in fucking Newcastle, we're living it up.
That's it.
So guys, never fucking give up, 'cause you never know where life's gonna take you. It's a crazy fucking journey.
Damn. You came a long way, man. Damn,
A
bro.
long way, bro.
Damn.
So guys, this is a video that changed my life, and this is real shit. This is what happened. So I was kicked out. I wanted to be a trader. My dad didn't believe in it. He kicked me out, and I kept swimming. You know, the best thing in life, sometimes you're gonna get thrown in the deepest oceans, and they're the hardest situations to fight through. You either sink or you swim, and I swam against the current, and here it is.
I've actually kicked out of my family home
And that one video changed everything for me. I got a job at the best prop firm in the world, and I got people that looked after me and actually cared and believed in me. So at the hardest points of your life where you feel like giving up and you feel like everything's over, that point is the fucking cap, like the point that can change everything. At the point where you feel like everything's over, that is the point that will make
the edge of the cliff, like
you're at the edge, you're standing over the edge right there, and you're like, right, what do I do from this point? At that point, I've never felt as low. As a 17-year-old boy who's been kicked out for chasing his dream, you're like, what do I do right now? And I made a video, and it changed everything. From rock bottom, I bottom ticked to the top. And that is where I am right now, because I worked my arse off. I'm loyal, I'm honest, I'm a real person. I am what you get. I'm not one of these fake influencers that flexes everything. I'm as I am, I'm honest, I'm a great person because I care about what everyone thinks there is and that. And it's like, for me, being honest is the best way as an influencer. They're the biggest influencer in the space of nothing but transparent. All these guys flexing everything, making out they made it, they haven't. Honest thing is just to be honest, a good person, and you'll go very far in life. Just be a good person. I strive every day to be a good person to everyone I meet, whether they're horrible to me or not. If you're a good person, you'll never go wrong and you'll be successful.
Alright, so what's your name? Introduce yourself. Izzy. And how long have you been trading for? 6 years. But wait, I hope they can hear us. That's the best thing. So what's been like throughout your journey? What's been something that's like been challenging for you that you overcome and it was like, oh, finally? Like what factor of trading?
I think, honestly, the consistency of every day you have to overcome something. You know, it's a non-stop battle against yourself and against your impulse control.
Okay, yes.
So, it never ends. You know, it never ends.
What's something that you want people to know that kind of inspires them?
You're closer than you think. You're always closer than you think. The difference between the people that make it and that don't make it is that they believe in themselves and they don't stop.
Okay, well, perfect. And when are you coming to London next so that we can do a proper interview?
In 3 more months. Every 3 months I'm here.
Every 3 months you're here, yeah?
Every 3 months I'm here.
Oh, okay, same. Okay, well, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I've gotten home from the gym probably like an hour ago. Now let's get into it. So right now the time is 6:14 and it's Saturday. The account is here, and to finish off the week, this is how we ended. This is how it ended, unfortunately. This is how it ended. So yeah, anyways, man, I think that honestly the week ended unexpectedly. I couldn't believe it when I met the guys from Alpha Capital. As I mentioned, I saw the hoodie and I was thinking, hold on, this can't be. At first I was thinking, no, this can't be real. And then I thought, you know what, let me go, let me ask. And I did. The conversations that I was having with them, it was nice. Especially, I've been at my workplace since April. To come across guests that are traders too, it's very rare. Like the last bunch of traders that I met, that was probably in like June or July, somewhere around that time. Yeah, no, it was great. Like connecting with everyone. Yeah, fantastic. Great way to end the week for sure. Now to speak on like my review for this week regarding like the markets, gold, making sure that I was being picky on the entries I took, even though Tuesday went a bit sideways. Yeah. What I noticed was that I was too passive. I mean, I would look at the daily, but I wouldn't think anything of it. But I think what I'm doing is I'm slowly getting back into the groove of things, because the first thing that I need to make sure is that I'm not over trading, you know, and I know that I was over trading for the specific reasons. I think I was a bit passive. I mean, I was definitely passive this week, given how aggressive I was the past few weeks. And now I've realized that, okay, I need to make sure that I'm paying attention on the daily and saying, okay, where can I find entries on the daily? You know, for me, the overall objective this week was trying not to overtrade, even though it went sideways on Tuesday. Yeah, making sure that the entries make sense with the daily bias And yeah, you know, the rest will take care of itself. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. Simple as that. Next week should be interesting. We'll see where we go from there. But yeah, for now, just time to take a break from the markets, from the charts. I'll prepare myself for the Asian Open and see if we can get some good moves, making sure that we stick to the bias of the daily. Not even the bias of the daily, but making sure that our entry points are based on the daily during this consolidation period. You know, it's that time. It's the end of the episode. Yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. See you next week.